What's going on, everyone? Happy Money Monday. We have a special one today. Not our normal one, but it's going to surround the war in Ukraine and Russia, what's going on, and how that's affecting financial markets. It obviously has a terrible effect on life, but we want to talk about how markets have reacted, how investments have changed, that type of thing. So why don't we go into some of the weird sanctions we're seeing on Russia and what that's forcing?
Yeah, so not only has the European Union put in sanctions on Russia, but the United States is as well. There is a monetary system that countries use called SWIFT. Russia has been completely locked out of it right now. It's not good for their economy. Right now, in addition, the Russian currency has plummeted about 30%. There are talks that China would help them out, but China doesn't want to get involved because then they might get, ramifications against them as well. So anything to push Putin towards peaceful talks. Apparently, 2 oligarchs have already reached out to Putin saying that, we need to cancel this war. And on top of that, the Ukraine has applied for entry into the EU, the European Union. So a lot of crazy things happening. On top of that, it's affecting stock markets here. Some of them, main ones, are airlines are down and just a whole other ones, guys.
As we saw last week when the war was announced, the stock market immediately plunged. It was down 4 or 5%, but within a day, it all made back up for it. It all bounced back up. So we've seen heightened volatility now. People now have to react. But one weird thing is, and this is with the markets being so weird right now, good news is bad news is good news. It's almost like because a war happened, then maybe the United States Fed won't raise interest rates as high. So maybe it's good for American companies who don't really do much business over in Russia. I mean, we're predominantly American. And so with that being said, all of a sudden, some people look at this as a good thing for financial markets. It's stupid. It's crazy. Can't overstate how crazy it is that Russia's currency fell 30% in one day. That's wild. That has to do with the freeze on Russian banks being included in the SWIFT, which is how countries, process payments back and forth. So
the only thing that is not getting stopped in those payments is energy transactions.
Because the rest of the world's so damn reliant. And you see oil prices shooting up. You see gold prices shooting up. People are making a case that Bitcoin and crypto will shoot up as people search for other places for their investments. The US dollar has actually increased in value over the last week or so because investors flee to safe assets in times of scariness. So.
Markets don't like uncertainty. Now that things are happening, the uncertainty's gone away. There's still a lot more left that we won't know, but...
And don't be surprised to see, 1% day-over-day moves, and in the long run, it looks pretty damn steady Eddie,
So, but we hope everyone's staying safe, guys, especially everyone in Ukraine. Crush the week, guys.
Happy Money Monday.